This is one memory you'll savor forever!
Yes, 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 we won! We won! That's my boy out there! That's my boy!
I am the champion, my friend. And I'll keep on fighting till the end. Bow now now. I am the champion. I am the champion. But gone is the loser. 'Cause I am the champion of the world. Yow!
Here's the wind-up. And the pitch!
It's a knuckleball right down the middle.
He swings! It's going!
He rounds first, then on to second.
It's high off the wall!
Flies past third and heads for the plate.
It's a mad scramble for the ball. There's the throw home. It's going to be close. He is safe! Hey,
Yes!
the mighty
Acorns win! The mighty Acorns win!
Oh, geez, I guess that puts the whole sky is falling incident behind us once and for all. Hey, kiddo?
You bet, Dad. Unless you think we need closure?
Closure? What's the close here? Unless you think we need the
No,
close.
no, not
Then
me.
it's closed.
I agree.
It's shut tight.
Vacuum sealed.
Good.
Okay, great, Dad. Closure, I don't know.
All right, enough fun. Good talk, son.
Here, I'll give you a push.
Rock me a little, hit me,
Okay.
bud.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm up. Hey. Good night, Ace.